Welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you my absolute favorite Mac apps and explain why I use them. By the way, stay tuned until the end where I mention a few small apps I often use that can make your everyday life on a Mac a bit more relaxed. The first app is Alfred. Alfred is a Spotlight replacement and so much more. With Alfred you can not only search for your files and folders on the desktop, but also search for websites, create your own workflows and look for products on Amazon for example. Alfred is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to being productive with your Mac. Personally, I don't even use my dog anymore because I can search for whatever I want via Alfred. I have also set up a small workflow that allows me to open system preferences on my Mac more quickly because my system is on German, but it's really annoying to type out the German word for system preferences to get to the preferences. My next favorite app is Item 2. Item 2 is a macOS terminal replacement and the successor of iTerm. The main reason why I prefer to use Item 2 than the normal terminal is simply the feature set that comes with it by default. Functions like split panes, searches, and a paste history are just a few examples. And to top it all off, it's also free. If you want to know how I set up my terminal, then check out this video where I explain how I install plugins and customize the look of Item 2. And now is the best moment to click subscribe under the video and activate the bell icon to no longer miss a video from me. But let's move on to the last of my favorite apps, Notion. Since I've had Notion, my productivity has increased tenfold. Notion is just so versatile because of the many features it has. It can be used as just a note-taking app or to manage a business or YouTube channel, or you can organize your projects of any kind in it. This app is just so diverse that you shouldn't underestimate the power it has. I personally use Notion to manage most areas of my life. I use it as a personal knowledge base, as a calendar for my YouTube videos. I also have a tracking site for my finances. I plan my private projects, whether they are software projects or DIY projects for my home, and I use Notion to collaborate with friends or some colleagues. Let's finish with a few small apps that I also use, but mainly improve my everyday life by simply being there. So the first one is Magnet. Magnet is basically nothing more than a window manager that allows me to arrange my windows using shortcuts. I use this especially often when I'm learning something new and want to line up my browser and Notion side by side, or when I'm coding something and I have my terminal on one side and the browser on the next one, or I use different combinations of software with it, but it's such a great app and you should definitely try it out. The last one is DeepL. DeepL is an AI-powered translation tool that I mainly use to check my English factual texts or documentations. I need this because I'm not a native speaker and sometimes I'm looking for more proper words for certain phrases. Those were all the apps I use on my MacBook on a daily basis. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. If you would like to see a video about my Notion setup, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Have a wonderful day or night and see you next time. Bye!